Akiaria hindi ya uthurimi wa uria wira uyu urathie na mbere, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya maai Joseph Irungu augite utambia wa maai gicigo-ini giki ni ugukorwo urikite gukinyaniria mweri wa kanana thutha wa Wenji wa nduburi 5 kwambiriria iria ikwambia kuhe gicigo kia maai mbere ya waki wa ndemu ya Malewa wambiriirie iria itanyitwo kuheana maai ma iganda o ndumwe na maundu mangi mubango-ini uyu.
We are drilling boreholes here is that this is the only site that had been prospected to have good water that is low in fluoride. That is why we came all this far.
Mubango uyu uria ukuhuthira ciringi milioni 700 ugukorwo ukiheana maai haria aikari 1,000 maria marabatarania iganda-ini iria igwakwo gicukiro-ini kia mirigo iria irehagwo ni reri o ndumwe biacara-ini ingi iria irikoragwo kuo.
We are waiting now to get the approval from the board so that we can be able to put pumps and then we go and put up the tank, the reservoir tanks.
Mubango wa Wenji wa ndemu ya Malewa uri metha-ini guku bengi ya thi kiigirira keherini ciringi milioni 100 hari ucori na ukinyaniria wa uria ndemu ino yagirirwo ni gwakwo.
There is at least 9,000 meter cube per day by August, latest September. So that is the plan, and I wish to thank the other stakeholders who have supported us, including Naivasha, who have availed to us a zone that has good water, that has no major challenges in terms of fluoride levels, which we've talked about, and minimum treatment.
Hari gutheria maai maya, bodi ino ya maai ni gwaka ithererio ria maai mwena wa maai mahiu niguo gutigirira maai macio ni matheru ma kunyuo o ndumwe na uhuthiri wa maundu matiganite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Elena Wagacomwa.